Yo, this is Nate, Muse News Crypto. Come for the crypto, stayed for the unpaid info, right? Jumping right in, guys. So China, for the longest time, up until hopefully soon, has been restricted from being able to trade crypto, right? Why is that relevant? Well, the U.S. has been kind of the dominant feature. And if you look at the U.S. and the state of the government and kind of where crypto and the participation between the two is right now, it's not in the best spot, right? You've got the Kraken crackdown, you've got Binance US, the stable coin that essentially was deemed a security. Personally don't agree with that. It's not an investment, right? You can't make money off of a stable coin that's pegged at $1, right? So why is it being looked at as a financial asset, financial investment, right? So anyways, neither here nor there. There's a lot of stories like that that have been happening recently. But the news out of China is coming from an individual you may have heard of, Justin, son of Tron, right? The crypto Tron. So he's been working really hard to get Huobi, a Hong Kong exchange, to kind of get off the ground in China, right? So with China not being able to trade for quite some time, the floodgates might be opening up, right? This could potentially be a parabolic rally that's coming soon. Again, my opinion is that this news is not FUD, but it's news on kind of what's to come over the next few months. Not financial advice, but if China's about to get involved and the floodgates are about to open up for them to be able to fully invest in crypto and not have to, worry if their door is going to get kicked down, I think that's a huge step in the right direction for crypto. And I think the government here in the US is probably a little bit worried on them getting to the market, right? I do think that the government has for a little while been working to push crypto out. And trying to get retail investors to stop investing, trying to get the big people that are holding a lot of the crypto, which there's a handful of wallets that do hold large percentages of crypto as a whole, trying to push them out, right? And if the U.S. pushes them out, they're going to trade somewhere else. Look at Binance, right? The whole BUSD situation and the stablecoin being essentially outlawed. It's not yet. You can still purchase it, you can still buy it, but it's not headed in the right direction. I mean, Binance's CEO, CZ, Changpeng Zhao, has essentially stepped away from participating in the partnership with Paxos, right? And Paxos is saying, oh, well, they're not participating in it either. So there's just a whole bunch of weird stuff going on with that situation. But essentially this, again, I think is great news for crypto as a whole. If China can get involved, then, you're going to have, personally, I think, multiple billions of dollars being influxed into the market, and that does nothing but great things for crypto, right? Crypto is less than 15 years old, so my opinion is that I think crypto is going to continue to go in an upward direction as a whole, right? That doesn't mean there's not going to be dips. That doesn't mean that there's not going to be, retracements and stuff like what we saw today with Bitcoin hitting $25,103 actually. That's what it hit. But once it hit that, we saw some retracement back down. I'll throw a picture of that up right now from the stream that I had today. Now, all in all, though, I think regulation is not a great thing at all for government to step in on with crypto. I think it's going to scare a lot of people away. But on the same hand, you have SBF, you have certain situations that have happened because of the lack of regulation, right? Now, I'm not sure if the whole SBF situation was a ploy, if it was planned to scare people into what I'm saying right now. It very well could be, right? There's a lot of people out there that are 10 steps ahead of all of us, but this news, I think, as a whole is going to be very bullish for crypto, right? So, when you have companies that have been in existence for 80, 90 years that have multiple trillion-dollar market caps that are looking at crypto and saying, wow, they're crypto as a whole, the industry hasn't been around for more than 15 years, and they're already market capped at $1.2 trillion. There's something there, right? So again, I think this is bullish news, bullish information. If you agree, awesome. If you don't, no big deal. Feel free to drop a comment down below, and I appreciate all you guys watching. Like and subscribe. You want to check out my live streams, I just started them a couple days ago. I've been doing one a day for the last couple of days. So if you want to go back and check it out, I appreciate it. And as I mentioned, thank you so much for watching. Thank you so much for commenting, liking, doing all that good stuff. Again, my name is Nate, and if you have any ideas for some videos you'd like to see, feel free to let me know. Have a good day.